Life, we all want to be happy. No one who doesn't want to be happy. But then, there are certain things you have to give up if you want to be happy. So today, I would like to discuss on what things to give up if you want to be happy. 1, give up your need to always be right. You would rather be kind rather than to always be right. So what should you give up? Give up to always be right. Don't try to create a space. Don't get into unnecessary wrangles, unnecessary quarrels because you want to prove you are right. Give up the desire to always to be right. 2, give up your need for control. The world is won by those who let it go. 3, give up on blaming others. A man isn't a failure or a woman isn't a failure until they begin to blame somebody else. Number 4, give up your self-defeating self-talk. This failure, once failure, I can't be able, it is impossible, I cannot be able to make it, I will not be able to be successful. Give up that sort of talk. Give up that self-defeating talk. Number 5, give your limiting beliefs. Beliefs where you don't think that you have got a potential. You have got a great potential, but unless you accept it, you are not going to succeed. 6, give up complaining. Don't be a constant complainer, always complaining. It is going to affect your happiness. Number 7, give up the luxury of criticism. Give no room for always criticizing. Give that luxury of criticizing other people. Improve yourself. Number 8, give up your need to impress others. Work on yourself, not to try to impress other people. Number 9, give up resistance to change. Don't resist change. Welcome change. It's finally you are going to be happy. Number 10, give up on your fears. Fear is going to affect you and is going to make you become a failure. Always have courage and confidence with yourself. Number 11, give up your excuses. 99% of failures come from people who have the habit of making excuses. If you want to be happy, stop giving excuses. Number 12, give up your past. Your past should not determine your future, neither should it determine your present. And finally, give up living your life for other people's expectation. Don't live to impress anyone, live on your own. You are the one who matters. Don't care about what other people say. So don't do things to impress other people. Otherwise, thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed things which you have to give up if you want to be happy. Happiness is something which we all cherish and we all look forward to. Thank you very much. It's Mutia Rukwaro, your popular family therapist and a relationship coach of A Moment with the Rukwaro channel. Thank you. Have a great day.